Zhongrui specializes in designing and manufacturing equipment tailored for various types of oilseed processing, including walnuts. Their walnut oil processing machines are engineered to ensure maximum efficiency while preserving the natural nutrients and flavors of the oil. The equipment ranges from small-scale setups suitable for family businesses to large industrial systems capable of meeting the demands of. The company places a strong emphasis on research and development, continuously improving its product lines to incorporate the latest advancements in oil extraction technology. This commitment to innovation ensures that their machines deliver superior performance, energy savings, and ease of operation. Moreover, Zhongrui provides detailed technical support and after-sales services. In addition to quality and innovation, Zhongrui values sustainability. Their machines are designed to minimize waste and reduce environmental impact, aligning with global trends toward eco-friendly practices. If you are interested in entering the walnut oil industry or upgrading your current equipment, consider reaching out to Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited for expert advice and top-tier solutions. With their support,